Hi, welcome to this tutorial. We'll introduce how to make a vertical animation for viewing in portrait mode with D5's advanced camera tool. Go to Menu, Preference, Widget and turn on Advanced Camera Tool. Click the camera icon in the toolbar and add a pip camera. You can check its perspective in real time. Select the camera and you can edit its focal length, field of view, depth of field, and other parameters. Set the aspect ratio as 9:16 and the perspective will switch to portrait. You can also customize the aspect ratio according to your need. The active button enables you to duplicate the perspective of pip camera in the viewport. Now you can create vertical animations in the video mode. After adding a new clip, click on Add Current View. The vertical perspective will be the first frame. Move the camera and take another shot. Done. You've just got a vertical video. You can make interesting takes, like a rotating shot by editing the camera parameters. After adding the first frame, rotate the camera and add another one. That's it. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.